गोंय सरकाराच्या महसूल खात्यान चलिल्लो भ्रष्टाचार बंद करचो सोडून भ्रष्टाचाराविरोधात वावुरपी लोकांनी म्हायती हक्क कायद्यान म्हायती मागची न्ही म्हूण महसूल खात्यान म्हायती मागतल्यांकडल्यान ₹50 एक प्रत अशें घेवपाचें थारायलां आनी ते घेतात सुद्दां. महसूल खात्यान केल्ल्या ह्या प्रकरणाच्या विरोधात ट्रेजन डिमेलोन उच्च न्यायालयात जनहीत याचिका घाल्या.
The attempts being made by the Revenue Department to conceal information from the public. The Revenue Department, as we are aware, is the department where there is the most amount of corruption taking place. For the purpose of obtaining your Form 1 and 14, getting your name registered, the charges today, unofficial charges is 5,000 rupees that the Mamladar charges you. For the purpose of getting your conversion sanad, there is corruption there, there are various varying charges. Now, how does the government, how does the Revenue Department conceal this information from the public? The idea adopted by them is to introduce an amendment. The idea adopted is to introduce an amendment to the Right to Information rules regarding fees to be charged for information from the Revenue Department. The only way to deter, to scare people away, is make the price of the copy 50 rupees per page.
भाजप सरकारान भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त सरकार अशे फट नारे दिवन भ्रष्टाचार चलयला. म्हायती मागप्याक सरकारान आतां महसूल खात्यान कायद्याचे कलम 4 सकयल महसूल घेवपाचें थारायलां असो आरोप केला. तशेंच न्यायालयान महसूल खात्याक जनहीत याचिकेचेर निर्णय जायसर म्हायती हक्क कायद्यान म्हायती मागपी अर्जदारांकडल्यान फी घेताना ताचे खातीर दुसरी वहीचेर बरोवन दवरचें असो आदेश बुधवारा उच्च न्यायालयान दिला अशी माहिती आदवोगाद रोहित दिसान दिल्या.
And therefore, they allowed Rule 4 to the Right to Information rules to continue. Now, Mr. Trajan Babu had filed a PIL petition. He filed a PIL petition challenging Rule 4 before the High Court. And though the Revenue Minister, Mr. Rohan Kaunte, took a press conference and he said that he was not aware that the price was ₹50, but the stand of his government was different. They started saying, no, nothing doing, 50 rupees is the cost that is levied under Rule 4 and that is the law will stand. So basically the Revenue Minister was playing to the galleries while his government advocates were today saying standing by Rule 4. Now this petition which we challenged Rule 4 before the Honorable High Court, has come to be admitted on 27th February 2019 after the petitioner was able to show that there was a prima facie case that Rule 4 whereby the amount was levied increased to 50 rupees was violative of the Right to Information Act itself. The rule-making power of the state was in excess of what the Central Act had granted to the state government. And therefore the petition came to be admitted and the High Court has directed a separate register to be maintained for all documents where under Rule 4 the common man is going to be charged 50 rupees per page, a separate register to be maintained. The idea behind this is that those persons who are being charged ₹50, they will be in the event, and which I am pretty certain, Rule 4 is held to be unconstitutional, ultra-virus Right to Information Act, then those persons who have spent 50 rupees will be entitled to a refund because their names will be registered separately in a register to be maintained as per this order of 27 February 2019. That's all.